In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect your Kit email to WordPress. If you are ready to start building an email list and sending newsletters through your Kit account, the first part is making sure WordPress can access and use the Kit email features. The good news is that this connection starts with a simple plugin installation. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard. Once you are there, look at the left-hand menu and click Plugins. This is where you manage anything that adds new functionality to your WordPress site. You might already have plugins installed, but this is the right place to add the specific Kit integration you need. After you click Plugins, you will typically see an area where you can browse or install new plugins. Next, search for and click Kit Matus Email Newsletter, Email Marketing, Membership, Subscribers, and Landing Pages. It is important to select the exact plugin that matches that name, because it is the one designed to connect your Kit email tools with WordPress. As you search, keep an eye out for the plugin entry that clearly shows Kit, along with those features, since that confirms you are looking at the correct integration. Once you have found the plugin, click Install Now. This button starts the installation process right away. You may see a loading screen or a progress indicator while WordPress downloads and sets up the plugin files. This part matters because nothing else can work until the plugin is fully installed, so it is worth letting this finish completely. As the setup continues, stay on the screen and watch for the confirmation that installation has completed. In most cases, after installation, WordPress will prompt you to complete the setup or show a page where you can configure the plugin. If you are asked to finalize installation steps, follow the on-screen prompts. The goal is to make sure the plugin becomes active and ready to connect with your Kit email services. Now that the plugin is installed, complete the setup by following the instructions that appear. Depending on your WordPress version and your theme, you may see small variations in what the screen shows, but the key idea remains the same. WordPress needs to finish preparing the plugin so you can connect it to your Kit account. During this stage, pay attention to any fields or screens that request configuration details, because those settings determine how your subscribers and forms will work on your website. When the setup is complete, you should be able to move forward with the rest of the process, such as connecting your Kit email account and setting up forms or landing pages. The plugin you installed is the bridge between your WordPress site and Kit's email and subscriber features. Taking a moment to ensure the installation and setup finish properly will save you time later if anything does not appear to work. And that covers everything you need to do for this part. And that is all there is to it.